Hi, this video tutorial I will cover why do we need transaction management. First I will explain if we are not using transaction management, what kind of issues we will face. Okay. Suppose say Dave has account in HDFC Bank and Dave has 20,000 rupees balance. Okay. And Peter has account in HDFC Bank and Peter has 30,000 rupees in his account. Suppose say Dave wants to transfer 20,000 rupees to Peter. In the back end, what we will do is we will reduce 20,000 rupees from Dave account and add 20,000 rupees to the Peter account, right? So in back end, what we will do is we will first execute this query. Update bank account, set balance equal to 0, where ID equal to 1, right? So once this query is executed, this 20,000 rupees will be changed to 0. Okay, and assume this query has executed successfully. And next what we will do is we will execute update bank account set balance equal to 50,000 where ID equal to 2. And what we are trying to do is we are increasing 20,000 to the Peter account, right? Suppose say the second query has not executed properly due to some exception happen in the backend. Then what happened is this 30,000 is not increased to 50,000, and if you see Dave account balance is reduced to 0, right? So this is totally wrong, right? Because from Dave account 20,000 rupees has been deducted and it is 0, and in Peter account 20,000 rupees has not been added, right? So this is absolutely wrong, and this should not happen, right? So how to avoid this kind of problem? We can avoid this kind of problem if we are using transaction management. Okay, we will see how to do that next. Now we will see with transaction management how to avoid the problem which we have faced. Okay, so what we have to do is the first query and second query we have to execute inside the transaction boundary. Suppose say first query has executed successfully and second query has not executed successfully. Then what we have to do is we have to just roll back the transaction. Okay, so what happens is from Dave account the 20,000 won't be reduced, and from Peter account the 20,000 won't be increased. Okay, so it will be the same state. Okay, so if any one of the query is failed, the transaction will be rolled back, and the state of the table will be same. Okay, and suppose say both queries are executed successfully, then what we have to do is we have to just commit the transaction. Okay, then what happens is the changes will be immediately applied to the database table. So here you can see from Dave account 20,000 has been deducted, and in Peter account 20,000 has been increased. Okay, and as per transaction management, within the transaction boundary, if all queries are executed successfully, then changes will be applied to the database table. If any one query is not executed properly, then changes will be rolled back and changes won't be applied to the database table. Okay, and in this way we can avoid the issues which I have explained in the first session, right? And this is about why do we need transaction management, and thanks for watching. Bye.